everything is fine with me. But if I don't utilize this lifetime to go back to God, then what is the purpose of leaving me? And we know, other than human form of life, everything else is a scary life. Assume that you become a best dog in America. Yeah, you go in the Mercedes Benz. They will take all the dogs in America treated well, but still you are a dog. And you become a cat. They take cat very well, America. Now, when you go to workplace, next morning when they come weekend, they come, oh no, what did you do weekend means? My 2 puppies are so good. As if they think they're talking about their kids, but they're talking about their cats and dogs. Even though they talk like, but your cat is a cat. Right? So, then I told this to the same class, because when I go to basic class, I give basic introduction. They said, oh no, what we should do? I said, you should take up the devotional service to the Supreme Lord. That only saves you from this life. If you are just behaving like an animal, eating, sleeping, mating, defending, there is no difference between you and animals. We are social animals, that's all. Atato means thereafter. What does it mean? Why they say thereafter? Thereafter taking so many lifetimes. Atato Brahma Jignasa. In this lifetime, who I am? Why I have taken this human form of the life? And I see some of them even sleeping when I tell the class, right? Why? Because soul is not still up to that level. They don't want to raise a fact. It's taken so easily. It's not an easy life. Durlabha Manava Janma. What is that? Bhajapure mana Srinanda Nandana Abhaya Charanara Vindare Durlabha Manava Janma Sassanga Bhavarihe Sindhu Pahire. The Durlabha Manava Janma to be dedicated for the Abhaya Charanara Vindare, Supreme Lord's lotus feet. Then only this life has a meaning. Otherwise, no use. You may be billionaire. What happened to Steve Jobs? He died. Maybe, I don't know, he may be cat or dog. Only Supreme Lord devotional service only saves you from this contaminant. That's why this shloka, what this shloka is saying that a self-realized person. Who wasn't the self-realized person? Who is a self-realized person? A person who does the devotional practice to Vishnu. Has to see, previously we have seen yajnas, right? Yajna karma, all those things we have seen, and we said prasadam has to be offered, okay? And if you are a Sakama Bhakta, at least you do the sacrifice. We have seen all in the previous chapters. But Krishna says in this shloka and previous shloka, a self-realized person means a person who is always situated at the lotus feet of Lord Govinda. He has no duty to do any other activities except following the Krishna conscious activities. Just following Krishna conscious activities means you are bound to go back to Godhead. That is written. So that's why he says a self-realized person who is self-realized person has to fulfill the discharge of his prescribed duty, has no purpose. He doesn't have to do, nor he has any reason to perform any such work, nor has he any need to depend on any other living being. So, if you want to read the purport, we'll just go through quickly.
A self-realized man is no longer obliged to perform any prescribed duties.
One second. So, when they say prescribed duties, what are the prescribed duties? Prescribed duty means doing yajnas, offering to demigods and all these things. Those are called prescribed duties. A self-realized person who is always situated in the Vishnu Pada Seva, he doesn't have to do all these things. He is already liberated. Bhukti and Mukti are doorkeepers for the devotee. Bhukti and Mukti. Bhukti means material opulences. Mukti means liberation. We don't care for those things. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that maybe I am become a dog in the devotee's house, that is fine with me. Because a pure devotee of the Lord never wishes he want to go back to Goloka Vrindavan and live with Krishna. That's not the devotee. I want to be a preacher wherever I am. That is my wish. I pray to Krishna. I want to preach Krishna's message, but I don't want to Goloka Vrindavan. Once I go there, I am serving Krishna. That's not fun for me. I want to serve the devotees of the Krishna. That is a great benefit we have. That's a great benediction, great happiness you got when you talk. What is that? Machita madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam dushanti charamanti cha. Dushanti charamanti means you great pleasure comes when you talk about Krishna with devotees, not staying with Krishna. A pure devotee, the Lord thinks that, okay, Golak Vrindavan, what's the big deal? Liberation, I don't care for liberation. Bhukti, material opulence, I don't, whether I have a house or job, I don't care for that. But only always I am situated at the lotus feet of the Govinda. That is only I am aspiring for this life. That is the devotees. That's why for that persons, he doesn't have to do any other work. He is already liberated. He doesn't have to do this yajna, that yajna. When you are engaged in the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Govinda, you have done all those in the previous lifetimes. Now you came to this level means you have done Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapachate Vasudevan Sarvamiti Samatma Sudarlabha. You have taken many lifetimes. This is not your first lifetime as a human being. Maybe you are a lady in the previous lifetime when you are a human. Or you may be a person born in Africa, America, everywhere you take all the births. Now you are in this body, but what is the responsibility of this body? Jivere Swarupai, Krishnera, Nityata. The purpose of this soul is to serve the super soul. If that means, see, every yuga has yuga dharma. I was talking the same thing there also. Yuga dharma. What is yuga dharma? Satya yuga. We have, what is the meditation is the process to go back to God. Is that right? In Satya yuga? Right? And in Treta yuga, sacrifices. Animal sacrifices. And Dwapara yuga, deity worship, elaborate deity worship, big temples. In Kali yuga, we are fit for nothing. We cannot do anything properly. That's why Krishna, he gave very simply, Harirnama Harirnamaiva Kevalam Kalau Nasteva Katiranyati. Just chant my names. He made it so simple. You don't have to do any meditation for 2-3 hours. Just take up my names and chant, you will be delivered. He made the simplest solution. Harirnamaiva Kevalam Kalau Nasteva Katiranyati. No other way in this Kali Yuga except chanting Lord Hari names. And a self-realized person, he doesn't have to do except doing Harinama Kevalam, he will be delivered. He is not bound by any other duties. As soon as you are situated in the lotus feet of Govinda, you are delivered. Okay, so this sloka and previous sloka talks about the person who is self-realized. Okay, next sloka. Let's see, what is that?
Yes, continue.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Save and accept activities in Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness is not inactivity either,
Yes.
as will be explained in the following verses. A Krishna conscious man does not take shelter of any person,
Yes.
man or demigod. Whatever he does in Krishna consciousness is sufficient in the discharge of his obligation.
It's not my words, these are Krishna's words, right? You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to go to anywhere. Any puja is not required. Any worship is not required. As long as you're chanting your 3 or 4 rounds properly serving Govinda, will be delivered in this lifetime. If I say something, you may say, oh, Prabhuji is very partial to this one, that one, he's telling. But look at Krishna. Prabhupada gave nice verse. Purport here, he is saying that a person is in Krishna consciousness, doing these things, he doesn't have to obligated to do any other duties. Right? Anyone has a question on this one? Want to add some more here or any experiences of yours? Because we all came from different backgrounds, different faiths. Somebody, if you go to North India, they worship this one, that one, South India, so many. But the common platform is Krishna consciousness. If that is fulfilled, you don't have to do any other duties. Okay? Next one. Let's go to next sloka. Now, he is telling whatever he does in Krishna is discharge of his obligations, right? Next sloka. 9th sloka. Tasmad asakta satatam Karyam karma samachara Asakto hi acharana karma Paramapnoti purushaha. Therefore,
Therefore,
without being
without being
attached to the fruits of activities,
attached to the fruits of activities,
one should act as a
one should act as a
matter of duty,
matter of duty,
for by which
for by working,
without attachment, one attains the supreme. Look at how beautifully he puts that. We all work without Krishna. That is a problem. Because why we see so many reactions? Because we don't involve Krishna in our activities. If we involve Krishna, he takes the burden. But because of false ego, we think I am the controller, I want to control, I don't want to give handle to Krishna. Then Krishna thinks, okay, handle it. You try life after life, atato, thereafter, here. Then Brahma Jignasa comes. What I am doing? I have been so many lifetimes I have gone through. Now we come to the understanding of, Krishna is the Supreme Lord. That's why you go and tell some people about Krishna consciousness, they don't even care, because their time has not come to Krishna consciousness, because they have to take so many births again, then come only here. That's why never neglect. But you should try, so that if they hear about Krishna now, next lifetime they become. You see, you are here, it's a whole tangible effect of all your lifetimes you are here. It's not just this lifetime it came. You have heard about Krishna in the previous lifetime. All added together, now you are here means you accumulated those pious activities, now you are here and hear about Krishna. If you go and tell people Krishna, hey, Krishna is let me enjoy, let me drink my beer. People say that, right? Or no, let me enjoy my party. Kuch kaam dhanda nahi hai tumhare ko bolta. It's about Krishna. Hey, don't go to that Krishna man. He's always talking about Krishna. He's a sick man. People say that. Then we think they are the sick people. It's in the mental aspect. What other mental person thinks he's a mental. He says you are a mental. Same thing happening here. People who are not in Krishna consciousness, they think that we are crazy. We think they are crazy. If I go to India, everybody thinks I am crazy. He doesn't even drink tea, man. His life has become so poor when he came to America. I really pity for him. I don't know. People say about me, don't even drink tea, coffee. What kind of life? What are you enjoying in America? There's a lot of, blue label, red label, these things are there. I don't even drink. I said, I don't even drink coffee. Hey man, you should have not gone to America. You're in India, much better. I says, hey, look at the level. I'm so happy. I'm blissful. Talking about Krishna all the time, 24/7. What is it? Prahlad Maharaj says that Matirna Krishne Prasakshatoha Mito Vipatyeda Graham Vatana Adanta Gobi Tamatam Vishram Punaha Charvita Charvananam. Adanta Gobi, we are enjoying this material world with so much love and affection, we don't want to go. What about Lord Indra? He becomes a pig. By his Brahaspati's curse. He becomes a pig and he gets married to other pig. They produce 2 children happily. After that, they are enjoying. Then Narada Muni, Brahma says to Narada Muni, hey, please call Indra, he is in the form of pig, such a pitiful situation. He comes down, says, Mr. Indra, don't call me, I'm a pig, or Mr. Pig. You want to come back? Because nobody taken your role in, what is that? He's a king of heaven. No, don't disturb me, I'm enjoying with my 2 kids and my wife. Don't disturb me. Get out of this place. Narada thinks, what a pitiable condition. Then immediately goes to Brahma says, this is a situation of Indra. He's a pig, he's enjoying so much, he's eating so much stool. Then he sends immediately email to Yamaraj. Fast email. When he give a CC to Lord Vishnu. Because Indra's chair is not taken by anyone. Now he has to come back. He's saying he's enjoying with his pig wife and 2 kids. What should we do? Okay, Yamaraj says, okay, I'm going to take care of those 2 children. I want Vishnu's approved. Vishnu says approved. Immediately email comes from Vishnu approved. He takes 2 kids away. Then again Brahma sends to him. Again comes back. Indra, don't call me Indra. I'm really mad. I'm pig. Call me pig. Big pig. Yes, I'm happy. Pig. What's the matter? Now your 2 kids are gone. You want to come back? What are you talking? My wonderful wife is there. I don't want to come. Then again you go back. Same situation. Wife is there. Then again email goes from Brahma to CC to Vishnu and Amaraj. Okay, lift that thing also. The understanding here is that we are so much enjoying here with wife and kids. We think that is everything. We don't want to go back to God. We are just similar to pigs, right? I don't want to say that it doesn't look nice, but same line. Enjoying. My wife is there, my kids are there, my house is there, my green card is there. Just I got green card. Let me enjoy in this country. That is the status where we are. If I say somebody to chant more rounds, Prabhuji, I don't have time. I want to watch TV early morning. I want to see the stock market news. These things. Okay. So, what's happening here? Okay, somebody wants to read the. No, next person. Who you have to go ahead.
The Supreme is the personality of Godhead for the devotees and liberation for the impersonalist. A person therefore acting for Krishna or in Krishna consciousness under proper guidance and without attachment to the result of the work is certainly making progress toward the supreme goal of life.
Towards the supreme goal of life. See, we all work in Krishna consciousness. Working without expectation. See, action in Krishna consciousness is required. Action in? What does it mean? Action in Krishna consciousness means? Action in Krishna consciousness means you are not attached to your result. You give it to Krishna. What happens? See, why we suffer so much? Because we are attached. If you are not attached, you won't suffer. Attachment is the biggest problem to get rid of. Only that comes when you are in Krishna consciousness. Okay, everything I did, everything, that's Lord Govinda, He will take care of me. We are supposed to do what we are supposed to do, but not the result. That's called action in Krishna consciousness. Yeah, action in Krishna consciousness, no fear. Whatever results I'll take it comes from. And that person is not bounded by these karmic reactions. I was talking with the new people in same karmas now. I said, why bad things happen to good people? This is the best question, right? Why bad things happen to? Oh, I am since childhood I did not do any bad activity, but this big problem came to me. Next door guy was a useless guy, he is enjoying his life. Why that is happening to me? She got a job, I didn't get a job. Why happening to that? Right? I am applying for so many jobs, I didn't get a job. Next door person, she is so filthy person, she talks all the bad things, she got a job. Why these things happening to me? Only me. Why? Because of karmic reactions. Because what you have done in the previous life, you have to pay price for that. That's why never ever think of doing any ill to anyone. The moment you do something bad, it is in your God may have. You have to bear it, if not this lifetime, next lifetime. That is with you. Nobody can escape. That's why when you act in Krishna consciousness, you are not acquiring any karmas. You are reducing your karmas. Finally, if the karmas become zero, this body doesn't exist. You go to Vayesh. Okay? And okay, next go ahead, Prabhu.
Yeah. Arjuna is told that he should fight in the battle of Kurukshetra for the
Prabhuji, one second. Next person, Raj, read.
Arjuna is told that he should fight in the battle of Kurukshetra for the interest of Krishna, because Krishna wanted him to fight. To be a good man or a non-violent man is a personal attachment, but to act on behalf of the Supreme is to act without attachment for the result.
Here, what Krishna told him, Arjuna says, I don't want to fight because when I fight, I am going to kill my own kith and kin and all these people. I don't want to fight. That he thought that's the right thing to do. But what did Krishna say? You have to fight, you have to kill them. And then you think, as a mundane person, oh, Krishna is doing bad thing because we are not supposed to kill the people. But Krishna knows what is right and wrong. He knows the perfect dharma. Because the people who are acting on the other side, they are not acting properly and they have bound to die to establish the dharma. That's why he is asking them to fight. Right?
So the question.
Mm-hmm.
So in this verse for Arjuna there is Krishna right there personally
Right.
to advise him that he should
Right,
fight.
exactly.
For us, how will
For us, that's why it says that Paripranena Pariprashnena Sevaya Upejakshinte Jnanam Jnanam Tattvadarshana. A spiritual master who is the servant of Lord Vishnu, you should take the association of spiritual master and serve him with paripranena pariprashnena. Then he will give you diksha and he will become your supreme spiritual master. You have to follow him. He is there because Krishna is a kind of a see, Shalimam, he says in the second chapter, 7th shloka, right? I am surrendering to you, I am confused, I don't know what I am doing. Now, so Krishna says, at that point, Krishna takes over and gives advice. In the same way, we are all confused in this world, right? Whether good or bad, we are all confused. We think what we are doing the best. No, but your spiritual master, when you surrender to your spiritual master, you serve him with paripranena pariprashnena, with humility and devotion, then he will give the knowledge of how to serve the Supreme Lord. Then you have done it. So we all have the spiritual masters. That's why we have so many spiritual masters in ISKCON who gives dikshas, right? So that's the way we can find out. It's a good question. But the answer you got it? Spiritual master. So get a spiritual master is not an easy task, okay? We have to work hard and get a spiritual master. We see a lot of spiritual master coming here, right? Every year, and right. So there is spiritual master. Yes. Go ahead, Prabhu. Next Venu.
That is
Yeah, that is perfect action of the highest degree recommended by the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
So what is the highest degree perfection? No attachment of duties. Whatever recommended in Krishna consciousness, we have to do without any thinking. And follow spiritual master rules and regulations, then we will be delivered. See, the whole purpose of life is what? Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. No. There is animal propensity. If we are doing, see, every day you check out, what did I do whole day today? Did I do something useful to my spiritual life? If we are not connected, any activity of performing not connected to Krishna means you are doing material activity. Anything connected to Krishna is spiritual. Going to job also becomes spiritual when that is done in the proper consciousness. The consciousness has to be changed. I am going to this duty, I am going to Lakshmi, I am going to offer to Lord Krishna prasadam. So these things are interconnected. It's not that you sit at home and do puja all the time. No. Engage your senses for the Krishna service. Offer prasadam to Krishna. Krishna, what is that? Agam papam. Bhonjate agam papam. He says you are eating sin if you don't offer to me. But otherwise, sarva kil bishai. Means all the sins will be removed when you offer prasadam to Krishna and take that prasadam. See, Krishna says, it's not my words, Krishna's words, right? Sarva kil bishai. Ajam te agam papam. If you don't offer to me, you are eating verily sin. A food which is offered to Lord Govinda, eating sin. And when you offer sarva kil bishai, all the sins will be removed. And they are the, what you call, medicine, what you call, immunization. It's immunization. Krishna prasadam, if you eat, it's greatest immunization. It protects from so many devastating factors when you eat Krishna prasadam, because that is offered to Lord Govinda, the Supreme Lord. And to learn this practice has to come offer with Tulsi Krishna. Whatever you offer to him, he takes it happily. So here, what is the highest degree is acting in Krishna consciousness. Remember, action in Krishna consciousness is the recommended process. Action in Krishna consciousness. Okay. Next one. Oh, sorry. Next Mataji, somebody wants to read?
Vedic rituals like prescribed sacrifices are performed for purification of impious activities that were performed in the field of sense
gratification. Look at it. Vedic rituals like prescribed sacrifices are performed for purification of impious acts. See, this is for the lower recommendation. Performing yajna, these things are lower recommendations. Right? Doing Krishna conscious activity is the highest postgraduate degree. Below everything becomes as a lower consciousness things. So we're performed for the field in the field of sense gratification. Okay, next.
But action in Krishna consciousness is transcendental to the reactions of good or evil.
Look at that, how beautifully put. But action in Krishna consciousness is transcendental to the reaction of good or evil. So ultimately boils down to is that Any action performed Krishna consciousness recommended by Krishna is supreme. Next, Mataji. Anyone?
A Krishna conscious person has no attachment for the result but acts on the behalf of Krishna.
Look at that. How beautiful that sentence is. So, every sentence you can enjoy. Prabhupada says that a Krishna conscious person has no attachment for the result but acts on behalf of Krishna. See, look at this one here. When Arjuna backed out from the war, he said, I don't want to fight. Right? Because I'm going to kill this, blah blah, my teacher, my Kirtan, kill my. Then Krishna came into picture and he told him to fight. So that is a Krishna conscious act. Whatever Krishna recommends, that is the activity we have to perform. See, we have no meaning for our life. No meaning for our life. Just animal propensity if we are not involved in the devotional practice. That's it, period. Whatever you think. We are just taking care of eating, sleeping, mating and defending for this body. No, animals are living on that. It's fine. But you have to have element of devotional service. But don't take up drastically. Take slowly. When January came, I said chant 2 rounds. You all accepted. When this January comes, take up 4 rounds. There should be some progress. Otherwise, are you same age as last year? You are 40 last year. Are you still 40 in this age? 41, 42 keeps coming. But your counts are not increasing. Means you are closer to death. Accept it not as a fact. Is it right? We are all aging. We are going to die one day. But if that is not taken action very seriously, what are we learning from these classes? If you are chanting 2, that should become 4 next year. If you are chanting 1, that will become 2 rounds next year. There should be, this should be the only primary business you should be doing as a human form, but at least make it a secondary business. After job, at least focus on Krishna. Read Bhagavad Gita every day. I told you, a lot of families. Read one sloka every day altogether, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Your lives are so successful. We do so many activities except this one. What we told you to, we don't do that one only. But do everything else but this one. Right? Time nahi hai Prabhu, time nahi. No, we all have 24 hours time. We all have time. But priorities in the life important. What are we going to give to our kids? What are we going to pass it on? Okay, I am going to parties, I am doing this one. Everybody can do that one, no big deal. But spiritual knowledge is very important. To realize who they are. What is my responsibility? You want to go to 8.4 million species again? At least 8.4 million years you have to suffer again to get human form. Then you say, he's all talking, did you see or what? But Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita the same. When you don't believe in God, whom do you believe? You believe in boss, who promises all promises. You believe politicians. Oh, if I come into power, I am going to make this one. Clap mark then vote Dalai, he gets to know. And next he forgets what he spoke also. When Krishna comes here, the power, 5,000 years back, he said that do this one, do this one, do this one. We are not doing a single one. What kind of smart people are we? Are we smart? Do you claim the smart person, smart people? The smart person is, who does the Vishnu Seva is a smart person. Vishnu Charana Seva. Who takes Vishnu Charana Tirtham is important, not the beer and brandy in the evening. So that has to be developed. Interest has to be developed. It's not an easy, but practice slowly. It comes. But slowly means not 10 years, one round, 10 years, next 10 years, sorry, one round, I take it, I'm happy. Not that one. This is emergency case. We are all in intensive care unit. This world is intensive care unit. We are not realizing that fact. For me, my office is intensive care unit. I know. I'm just telling you. This other intensive care unit for me. When I go to office, I go to ICU. When I come out, I come. My office is like that for me. But I still bear it. I have no pain in my office. I have so many problems. See, pain and suffering are different. You may have a pain but not suffering. I have a pain but no suffer. Some people have suffer but no pain. See, I gave an example, right? When you have some stomach problem, so you are getting some stomach pain. Then you think it's some severe problem, appendicitis. Though pain is less, your suffering goes multiply. Oh my gosh, if I die, what happens to my 401 clan? Mom's my office, this one, my Wi-Fi, everything comes. Because pain is less, but suffering is? Is that right? And then you Google immediately, because nowadays Google is easy, right? Google, the pain, abdomen, oh, it could be a cancer. Oh my goodness, cancer, you won't sleep all night. Pain is not there, but suffering is? You suffer unnecessarily for no reason. Is that true? But next morning what happens? You call doctor office and says, unfortunately a weekend. Doctor doesn't live the phone. Okay? You have to suffer Saturday and Sunday. You want to go to emergency, they charge heavily. You don't want to go to emergency, that's okay, let me bear it. 2 days you think, all the things in the world you think. Oh man, what did I do? Did I do this wrong, that wrong? मैं कुछ किसी को बुरा बात किया? No, I am such a person. You think all those 2 things, but doctor is not available. Your suffering goes multiply, tons of. You construct a big building. Oh my gosh, when I could have been in India, my mom would have been with me. I could have shared with my friends. Here, doctors are useless in America. They don't take phone calls on weekends. You start thinking that you're shouting at everyone. I don't want food. So your suffering goes on, because pain is less, suffering is more. Next morning, 8 o'clock, first call is yours, doctors. Okay, what's happening? Okay, it's problem of domain. Okay, come over here. You go there. What's the problem? Oh, it's just a gastric problem. Oh my gosh. What happened to all your suffering? 0. Then, okay, today I'm going to make chicken. Please come early because I'm happy now. Is that true? Or let me have a party today because my suffering. Pain is there. You don't care because doctor told it is a gastric trouble. Same way in our life. Right? Same way apply in our life. When I ask you chanting, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Because you are not suffering. You think you are not suffering. But in fact, your life itself is a suffering. What do you think, Sudhakar Prabhu? Is that right? We all have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra every morning without fail. Whatever the number of rounds, 1 or 2 you have taken, please chant. And January is coming, I am going to force you double your rounds. You are chanting 1, make it 2. 2 means 4. No escape here. These are corporate goals. If you don't meet expectations, you'll be fired. 3rd quarter, 4th quarter, every quarter we estimate our quarter. You have to meet this many clients this quarter, otherwise it will be a problem. Why not with this spiritual life? Don't take. Because Krishna is not demanding. The free will you have, you're misusing so much. Okay? So, where are we? Finished? Sorry. He engages in all kinds of activities, but he is completely non-attached. We are not attached in Krishna consciousness. Now, you say, Prabhuji, my wife, my kids, you're attached. There's a limit for everything. But everything is servant of the law. You take care. But make them educated who they are. What's the purpose of life? Leave them. We ourselves don't know the purpose of life. How we are going to teach our kids? No. I'm telling you, that becomes directionless life for kids. Show them what they are supposed to do. Because when we practice, otherwise, what a lot of people say, we do Bhakti Raksha means, can we give you our kids, they can learn Bhagavad, then we go for shopping. I said, we are not doing charity work in our house. You leave our kids upstairs and they want to go for shopping, or we go to movie and come back, pick up the kids. He said, we are not doing any charity work. First you come, sit, you learn, then bring the kids. You go out and smoke cigarette. Hey, my son is saying, no, you smoke cigarette, come back. Okay. What are you going to teach your son? You yourself smoke cigarette. You in front of him only are drinking. How do you expect him not to drink? You want your son to be good, but you don't want to be good. Hypocrisy. In front of him you are doing blue label, red label, you are drinking. Oh no, beta, पीना बहुत ये क्या बोलते हैं पीना बहुत बुरा गलत है. But पापा जी आप क्यों पी रहे हैं? Solution नहीं है उसको. That is society we are living 100%. It's a hypocrisy. Try to be faithful yourself. What I am doing does pleases Krishna. If you are not pleasing Krishna, your life is waste. Haritoshanam. Satisfy Krishna. All your life, Durlabha Manava Janma, very rare to get. The purpose of life is to please Krishna. What is the process of Shravanam? Listening about Krishna. When you listen about Krishna, you develop love for Krishna. Rukmani Devi married to Krishna, right? Is that, you know all that? Rukmani is Krishna's wife. Krishna has many wives, but one of them is Rukmani. Rukmani, what happens? His brother name is Rukmi, right? Just by hearing about Krishna, she wants to get married to Krishna. Rukmani. So, by hearing, Shravanam, very, very important. You may think I am wasting time, Prabhuji always speaks same thing. Hearing is very important. Shravanam. Then that leads to Kirtanam. Kirtanam means glorification. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam. Smaranam comes. Pada Sevanam comes. Archanam, deity worship. Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. That's why I start with Shravanam and Kirtanam. These two are very important. Even you don't know, just wherever Katha is going, go and hear. Hearing purifies your heart. Hearing has that power, cleaning the heart. You see, you have so much dust, you think, I am going to Bhakti Vishwa for last 1 year and now I am not able to chant one round. You have so many impurities, what can I do? Because you have to keep on hearing every week after week. You hear today, tomorrow morning you forget everything, I am sure. Right? Again Saturday you come. Again here. And you go, if you don't come in 2 weeks between, you are gone. You enjoy so much outside like Indra. Outside world is so happy. You don't want to come. Oh Bhakti Vishwa, let's skip this week also. Because hearing about Krishna not easy task. You should have piety to hear about Krishna. It's not an easy task. If you call any people, 100 people, not even 5 people come to hear about Krishna. Because piety is required. That's why I said, Matirna Krishne prasatpatoha, mito vipatye graham vatanam, adanta gobir, infinite material senses, like a blind well outside the house. The blind well, what the blind well has? All scorpions and snakes. Punaha charvita charvananam, taking life after coming, going, but we are not realizing that Vishnu Charana Seva is the supreme most. If that is learned properly, if that is executed, then life is successful. You may be a PhD holder, mathematics PhD, chemistry PhD, software, doesn't matter. If you are not pleasing Krishna, life is waste. Blind statement. How to please Krishna? Shravanam. Start with Shravanam, listening. Prahlad Maharaj says, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Any of this process you can do it. So Shravanam, who is important? Who is the person delivered by Shravanam in Shastra? Guess. Shravanam. Who spoke Bhagavatam to whom?
Krishna to Arjuna.
Parikshit.
Yes, Shravanam. Kirtanam, glorification of Lord. Who is the supreme person?
Chaitanya.
Kirtanam, Sukadeva Goswami. He describes all Krishna's Bhagavatam, whole Bhagavad. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. Who is the Smaranam? Little baby.
So,
Prahlad. Smaranam. All the time. Wherever you go, Hari. His father put so many tortures, but he never forgot the name of Dasyam, Hanuman. Atmanivedanam, Bali Maharaj. I am remaining things also I am not sure. Vandanam Akrura. So, all these devotees have been delivered by their, but in Kali Yuga we cannot do one thing 100%. That's why we do everything little and little so that we can be delivered. See, devotional, as a human being, if a devotional life is not there, we are not doing anything better. There's a part of our life it has become a part of our life. Why we made whole this house like this one? Do you think we have nothing else to do? We realized this is the ultimate thing we have to do in our life. If that is not there, everything else becomes zero. Because I said, your beautiful wife is a big zero. It's a big zero if everybody looks at her. If you have a kids, one more zero. Your bank property is a big zero. Your house is a big zero. Right? Your green card is a big zero. Decision is a big zero. All these zeros has either 10 zeros or 1 0, 0 is 0. But Krishna is number 1. Put number 1 in front of all these zeros. You have 2 zeros, that becomes 100. 3 zeros becomes 1000. 4 zeros becomes 10,000. So that one Krishna has to be added before of all this, in front of all these zeros. Then only life has a value. So that's what I'm saying is, everything you have is a zero, but you have to take up devotional service, which is number 1. Then you have a life value for your stuff. Right? It's not a, see, it's very serious matter. Very seriously has to be taken up into consideration. Some people, I went there, right? Some people have no clue. I asked him, how many chapters in Bhagavad Gita? Somebody says, maybe 4 or 5. Indian people. I was so ashamed to hear that one. How many chapters in Bhagavad Gita?
18.
Because I asked the same question when I gave class in the Long Island. There are about 40-50 people, all new people. They asked me again, they called me to give one more class next month. I said it's too far. So 18 chapters. We all come here with our Bhagavad Gitas. We know that our Prabhu is going to give. Let's just go for fun. They are not serious. Did you, after this class, you go home and read Bhagavad Gita again? Maybe 1 or 2. Do you tell me that you don't have 5 minutes of time every day to read one sloka and purport and read? Because we did not make as a priority, that's all. We did not make as a priority. Don't say time is not there. Time is there, but you are not there. 5 to 10 minutes of one sloka, one purport. You don't understand, that's fine. Read, see, this nothing is there. One sloka, purport, and this one. Translation. Takes 5 minutes, one sloka. I am telling you, that is a medicine for your life. Reading Bhagavad Gita. If you read in this lifetime, if you don't finish, you guarantee to come back and finish this work. That's auspicious to hold Bhagavad Gita and read. This is what is Partaya Pratibodhita Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Spoken by Lord Himself. These words, not an easy task. It takes so easily. And just go there and come. No, you are just, I don't have any problem, but you have to become serious. This should be a primary business for us, but at least we have to work, make it a secondary business. Once my work is done, I have to worship Bhagavad Gita. That's it. No matter who or thinks what, I have to finish these things. Go ahead.
Usually we take up 2 to 3 shlokas verses, right? Usually, as requested last week, as we will be discussing the next 320, 321 or 322, right? I just humbly suggest that if you give us as a homework that we read it, and before you start the discussion,
Good point.
you just ask us
What did
you learn, what is your experience, something like, so that we say at the most
Good
we
point.
would say wrong thing, right?
That's fine.
That
That's
means
okay.
I have not understood, right?
Good point.
There are others who would know it. That way will have something.
Actually, you should be a
at home.
teacher. You should be sitting here and telling
Hari Bol,
because
Prabhu.
no.
That's why you're taking class in Long Island. Creating a vacancy for me. Though I need some vacancy, but not at that level. I'm very,
I just pretend.
Very
I have nothing. I just pretend.
So what I see. If
Good point,
The,
Prabhu.
a little fraction
Yeah,
is
can
always
we?
good.
Okay, I guess they are going to beat you up later. Why did you suggest this? But be careful. Okay.
Maybe this was in their heart, but nobody came. Forward.
Okay. How many of you agree with
We
that
have
point?
to call Mataji and let her know that suggestions are taken.
वो देखना वो आज नहीं आया कि बिल्कुल पक्का ही ना काम करते.
Okay, that's a very good suggestion, right? Wow, how many? Which one we did just now?
19.
19 is done. Okay. Next week, 20, 21, 22.
Next week there will be no class.
Yeah. Sorry. Next week we have Diwali function in the temple Saturday. Please come over. We are making 501 items. We have to make for and they asked from me, our Bhaktalaksha, how many items we can make. Each person can make easily 5 items. It's not huge quantities, like a cereal bowl, make some bhajis, some rice, 4-5 items, small quantities. And that will deliver to temple by 2 o'clock because they arrange all the food items, 501 items. It will be awesome program next week, don't miss it. Okay, Annakot, 501 items we put to Krishna and it will be very wonderful. Okay, please don't miss it. Even if you have work, come for 1 hour and go. And I would like to take one white paper, write who is making what items because I need to give to temple. Okay, see, bhajis make only this many. Chapatis with sweet chapati make 2 or 3 chapatis. So because they want different items, not the quantity. Because anyway you are going to make prasadam in the temple, huge quantity. This is to offer to Lord. So your devotion to Lord. So one white paper, please don't forget write items what you are making so that I can give the list too. Okay, and deliver by 2 o'clock the temple. Just 10 minutes. I will come here.
So it will be delivered to the temple, not here.
You can give, but it's I have to go. But somebody, I think, a lot of devotees coming from here, right? They will go. Somehow Krishna, Namananda is there. A lot of people give it to them. Delivery is not a problem if you make it. Up to 5 to 6 items. little. So make that one. So I think it's a very good suggestion, Prabhu. I agree because.